Hi everyone, this is a demo for TalkRx. TalkRx is an AI-guided anxiety support tool in order to improve responsible healthcare. Essentially, we're using a solution that leverages an AI agent, an open AI agent, that will be able to improve the results for anxiety patients' diagnosis by leveraging clinically validated tools using DSM-5 TR and ICD-10 codes. And not only does the agent provide recommendations, but we also have a human-in-the-loop component that allows all of these responses to be shared with providers using the FHIR v5 system. I'm now going to shift to the backend, where the backend is a fast API service, which essentially has a bunch of different endpoints where we have access to different tables. We have a PostgreSQL database, we have a MongoDB database, where we have access to things like conversations, medication data, all the ICD codes related to anxiety. And we also have a couple of post methods which allow us to save conversations and also save the analysis that we're getting from the OpenAI agent. All right, so now I'm going to move into how we evaluated the results by using a Streamlit app. So in the Streamlit app here, I have a bunch of different rows which are related to actual conversations between a patient, an anonymous patient, and a therapist. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick a random one. This data did come from Kaggle. And then let's say if I go to the evaluation, I can hit Analyze. And behind the scenes, this makes a request to the OpenAI agent to do an analysis. And the analysis gives you the list of the problems, the recommendations, and the problem evidence, the exact disorder name for that specific anxiety disorder, and the different emotions that the patient is feeling. So now this was validated by one of our team members, and she happens to be a clinical subject matter expert, and we were getting really good results from this analysis. So now what we want to do is quickly navigate to the mobile app. So if we go to the mobile app here, we have a chat feature where the patient can now mention something. So let's say in the spirit of the hackathon, we say, I feel down today. The hackathon deadline is approaching. And let's say I go ahead and submit the response. The OpenAI assistant is going to provide a response back. And as it provides the response back, then behind the scenes, it also generates an analysis, which we can see in the insights. And we can see this is the exact insights here. So we can see we have frustration, feeling overwhelmed, anxiety, despair, problems, problem evidence, and recommendations. Thank you so much.